modern, elegant wall design perfect for an executive office. And watch how I build every detail from scratch in SketchUp, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nice Tower. Today I'm designing a modern office wall, the kind you see in a manager's or executive's room. This one's all about simple geometry, plans, proportions, and clean detailing. So let's get started. First, I start by drawing a rectangle 4000 by 3000 millimeters. This will be the base of our wall. Select all and make group. Then on one side, here, I draw another rectangle by 700 and 300 millimeters. Select all and make group. From this line, I take a copy in 300 millimeters. And then I draw a small arc here. After that, I take another 10 millimeters copy and one more from this line in 7 millimeters. And now remove the extra lines. Now I extrude the whole surface by 3000 millimeters. Now push the upper section 50 millimeters inward and then extrude that same area again by 50 millimeters. Okay, it's done. And now from this side, I mark 1000 millimeters and now draw another rectangle 1300 millimeters by 300 millimeters. Select all and make it a group. I take a copy from this line in 300 millimeters and draw an arch here, delete this face, and now take another copy of this line at 10 millimeters and take another copy in 7 millimeters. And now take another copy of this line in the middle part and take another in 7 millimeters. Take another one in 100 millimeters and take a copy in 7 millimeters. Select this face and take another copy at 100 millimeters. And now select all three lines and copy them again at 7 millimeters apart. And now delete the extra line. Now I extrude the entire surface by 3000 millimeters. This gives us the second layered section of the wall. And now I draw a rectangle here in 1200 millimeters by 300 and use push pull and push it 60 millimeters. I select everything and make it a component. Then using the move tool, I position it right at the center of the wall and scale it down or push it from here 100 millimeters to become smaller. And this will be the base for the shelves. I make a copy of this surface in 1000 millimeters. Then another copy at the end and simple type /4 and enter. And done. Multiple equal copies created. Now for this next section, another shelf design, I draw a rectangle 400 by 300 millimeters. Make a component and push it 60 millimeters. And then copy it at several different distances. First, I copied 7 millimeters, then 400, then 500 millimeters, and again 500, then 200, and continue until the end, like that. And now from the side, I draw another rectangle 600 by 300 millimeters. Select all and make a group. And now I take another copy of this line in 60 millimeters. Then another one in 7 millimeters. Delete the extra line and select this and take another copy 27 millimeters away and type X11 and then multiple identical groups. After cleaning up the geometry, I extrude everything by 3000 millimeters. And it's done. The design part is complete. And now let's move to the materials. For this section, I use a PVC material in a milky white color, clean, minimal, and perfect for an office vibe. Inside the thin grooves, I add a soft gray color to make the detail pop. And also for this part. For the other sections of the wall, I applied the same PVC material and again use gray between the lines for better definition and contrast. Also for this part and also for this, I do the same. And for the shelves themselves, a dark brown color that adds warmth and richness. It's a light wood, and for this part I use dark color Also for this shells. And from the Edit tab, I slightly tweak the color tone just to blend the lightning and texture intensity. And now all materials done. And now let's check out the final result. Here is our completed modern office wall design and perfect mix of clean geometry, subtle colors, and balanced textures. It's minimal yet professional, exactly what you'd want for a manager's office. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What kind of design should I try next? Until the next time, stay creative and keep designing with nice tower. Bye for now.